Alrighty, time for another artificial turf install here in Austin, Texas. First, we got to start with tearing out the existing yard by shoveling and raking that into some wheelbarrows. And we're actually demoing a concrete patio on this job in that top left-hand corner. Haul that all out to the trailer. Once that's done, we're going to compact the subgrade, rake that out a little bit, and then install about 3 to 4 inches of decomposed granite. Simultaneously, as you're going, you can see this guy on the right-hand side of the screen installing some bender board to contain that granite, making sure nothing gets up underneath this turf. And then we are going to start grading and compacting that granite, make sure it is graded properly for drainage, smoothing it out multiple times until it's correct. Once that's done, lay out some weed barrier. Look at them roll. And now it's artificial turf time. Get that turf laid out, trimming it along the edges, securing it with nails. Second run goes in, securing the seams with staples, securing the rest of the edges, and now dropping infill into the turf and grooming it out for a beautiful final product. Let's go.